Hey everyone, I am so glad you're here. Today's video is extra special to me because we're talking about food for picky eaters. It's a topic that I've covered extensively on this channel, and it's something that I know a thing or two about since I've worked with specialists for years to help my kids with picky eating. If you like healthy, family-style recipes and easy yet awesome lunch packing ideas and tips, go ahead and click that red subscribe button because on this channel, that's what I share every single week. And if you have a picky eater or a few, let me know in the comments below what you struggle with. I want to hear all about it in your thoughts and we can keep the conversation going. My goal is that by the end of this video, you'll walk away with extra resources and recipes that will help make a difference at your dinner table and help you keep your kids on the right track to eating a balanced diet. I also have a free e-course that's a great way to start learning how to transform your meal times and start making them more enjoyable today. I've linked the e-course right below and we'll talk more about it later, but first, let's talk food. Many of the recipes that I share below in the description box are tailored to picky eaters and they'll help you introduce new foods and nutrients into their diet while enjoying them in a variety of flavors. The link to the post and all the recipes is also below, so make sure to check that out. For the parent that wants to know how to get more fiber into their kid's diet, and for the kid that always wants chocolate, these chocolate snack bites are full of fiber. They're made with clean ingredients and still taste like a treat. Now, everything is blended in a food processor, so the dried plums, the nut butter, the honey, the cocoa powder, and the protein powder, if you choose to add it, are completely combined. These are the perfect chocolate fix that brings that extra nutrition without the sugar high. While we're on a chocolate kick, this next recipe for my chocolate smoothie bowl is almost like ice cream, only a lot healthier. This one is a winner with the kids because of the sweet chocolate flavor, and I love it because it's also high in fiber and protein, so it makes a great breakfast or an afternoon snack. Speaking of breakfast, my blueberry baked oatmeal is a delicious and hearty breakfast that the entire family is going to love. It's way better for you than eating a blueberry muffin because it's full of fiber, minerals, and it's just what you need first thing in the morning. Now, this next one is going to be hard for anyone to turn down because who does not want to have a pizza for breakfast? This ham and cheese pizza is one of my kids' favorite because it uses pre-made pizza crust topped with cheese, scrambled eggs, and ham. It's cheesy and super satisfying for a morning meal or a breakfast for dinner option. Now, this next recipe takes every kid's enemy, broccoli, and turns it into nuggets. This is no steamed broccoli recipe. They are so much better. Because kids adore tater tots and nuggets, I thought I'd try to replicate the shape and texture with broccoli, with cheese, and a few breadcrumbs. They come out crispy on the outside and soft in the inside, and they are flavorful. And unlike steamed broccoli, kids will actually eat them. Now, those broccoli nuggets are an example of how to get your kids to eat a green food or a type of color that they typically don't like to eat. And I go into further detail in the free e-course for you. If you have a child like mine who does not like to eat green foods at all, you're going to learn how to continuously introduce them in different ways in the free course. These pizza mini quiches are quite possibly one of my most popular lunch ideas, both at home and on this channel, because you can pack them ahead of time, warm in a thermos or at room temperature. They can also be meal prepped, so kudos to us. My kids love the pizza flavor of pepperoni, black olives, and cheese, but you can make them with leftover bacon, veggies, taco night extras. Possibilities are endless. I'll link a few more of these mini quiche recipes right below this video for you. Then one of my family's all-time favorite meals, the cheesy beef goulash. I remember the first time I made this recipe, everyone, kids included, cleared their plate and asked for seconds. What a first. It was a total win for me because it only took 20 minutes to make with a pound of ground beef or turkey, pasta, canned tomatoes, spices, and cheese. It's epic and something you'll want to make again and again. So if these recipes are making you hungry and there's something that you may want to make, check out the links right below this video along with access to the free e-course. It includes 6 videos talking about everything from why kids don't try new foods, from what to do when you fight at the dinner table, word-by-word scripts on how to talk to your kids about eating better. On top of the videos, you'll also receive activities and printables like the Lunchbox Builder to help your kids try and become comfortable with a variety of foods. Every week on this channel, I share family-friendly recipes that you can use to introduce new flavors at mealtimes. So make sure to click that red subscribe button because a new video comes out every single week. See you next time.